Hello, this video tutorial is an explanation of how teachers can mark themselves as on duty on the Shiksha Setu portal. To do so, the teachers have to log in on the Shiksha Setu portal using their school's UDICE ID and password. Here I will be using a test login. The teachers have to use their own school's login ID and password. I will quickly fill in the details. In the portal, you will see teacher and staff. There is an option named teacher and staff. Click on that. Under this option, you will see another option, Staff Absent Request Updation. Click on this option. In this, click on the Update Reason button. A dialog box will appear. Under the staff drop down, select your own name. So the teacher will select their name. Suppose I select Taslima Ahmed. Then from date and to date, for how long will you will be on duty, that duration you have to mark here. So I will click on the calendar icon. Suppose my on duty period will be from 24th of March till 27th. Then in the next drop down, you will have to select your reasons for your absence. Amongst all these options, I will select election duty. You will select your respective reason for absence. Under the upload document, you just have to click on this option and upload the necessary document you have to prove your absence. I will select a document. You will have to select the document that proves your reason for absence. Then I will click on submit. Please note that all fields that are marked as mandatory using this asterisk symbol has to be filled in. I will click on submit. This pop-up message is telling us that in 1 hour you will be able to see your entry in this table. Once you have entered the details, the school headmaster will log in on the same portal using the school's UDICE ID password. They will select teacher and staff, go to Staff Absent Request Updation, and only the headmaster will be able to approve or reject your application for absence. Suppose Madhusmita Gogoi, I want to view their attachment. This is a test login, so the attachment will be a random document that we have uploaded. If for a teacher, this will be an attachment of their proof of absence. You can view the attachment like so. We can close this. Once the headmaster is sure of their absence reason, we can click on approve or reject. So I will click on approve. Here you have to enter the reason for your approval. So I can say here that the documents are verified and correct. I'll click on submit. This entry was approved successfully. If suppose I want to reject a particular application, I will click on reject. I will enter the reason, documents incorrect. The headmaster can write whatever reason they have for their rejection. And then we'll click on submit. The rejection was done successfully. Similarly, you can view all other entries here. If you want to view only approved entries, you can click in the filter above, you can click on approved. Here you can see these are all the entries that were approved by the headmaster. If you want to see the pending applications, you can click on the pending option. And if you want to see rejected, you can click on rejected. So that's how a teacher can apply for on duty on Shiksha Setu portal.